Okay, hello guys, how you guys doing? So you're welcome to week 6, and I just want to show you my week 5 milestone. So for the next 3 weeks, that's like, let's say from last week and the next 3 weeks, making 1 month, we'll be working with our teams, not individually. So, and we're told to have a meeting with our team last week. So, and the outcome, the reflection from your team meeting will be your week 5 milestone. So this is my own reflection. This is my milestone for week 5. So these are the questions, and the answers are below. So the time, the date we met, the name of our group, our problem statement. We're focusing on infrastructure and governance, and our team roles. You can see, so that you can know how you guys can like write up your write-up, how to do your write-up, which is your milestone submission. So, and the what is the schedule date, and note that only your question 1 to 5 should be the same thing with your team members. So it's only question 1 to 5 that you're supposed to answer with your teammates. So the remaining 6 to 9 is your individual answers, not team answer. So only question 1 to 5 that you are supposed to ask, and you are supposed to answer the same as your teammates. So your teammates, all of you in the group, your question 1 to 5 must be the same thing. So the 6 to 9 will be individual answers. So you have to answer the 6 to 9 personally, not the same as your teammates. So note that. So our number 1 to 5, we've shared it in the group. Everybody they do the same thing, so they just copy the same thing. So then 6 to 9, we do that individually. So the visualization data that I feel like we can use, and what are the action items, in 2 to 3 sentences I should like explain the visualization and the reflection of our experiences and everything. So this is a write-up. This is a milestone automatically for week 5. So I guess you guys already have a group, and like you are doing all of this already. So this is just a straightforward milestone, nothing too complicated. But I know some people are still finding it difficult to navigate. If you are still having issues with it, you can actually comment in the description box, then I will look at it. If it's something I can assist you with, then no problem. So this is my milestone. So I'm just going to realize and submit milestone 05 underscore my name underscore surname and today's date 17 full stop 02 full stop 2025. I think that's it. But I've not checked. So I'm trying to log into my Savannah. So this is it. So this is the instruction here. This is the write-up. You can see, and where the note is, remember that you are submitting your milestones separately individually, but items 1 to 5 should be the same for each of the team members milestone submission. So this is the instruction, your name, surname, and to be in PDF. Then you submit. So that's it. My quiz is very bad this time around, but let's good. We're good. So that's it. So that's it about the submission for week 5. If you're still having any challenges, don't forget you can actually reach out and I'll assist in the way I feel like I can. So thank you guys.